We are an automation integrator providing solutions for the seed processing and grain handling industries. Everything that an operator would need to be hands-on for, we can do unmanned remotely.
By automating, it allows me to not be focused and sitting in the seed plant all day. I can go work in the shop and do other projects. I'm not relying on myself or someone else being there watching it go all day.
We take that all and we simplify it from what used to be a very manual process and make it simple to maintain a facility.
The fact that we're primarily focused on agriculture is unique among automation companies. It's all built here in-house, assembled here for the customer, specifically for each job, and then it gets shipped to their site and installed there. It's all done custom based on what the customer's needs are.
It's a family company, so they're nice to deal with. If you have issues, it's just simple. You don't have to go through all the tiers to talk to somebody. They walk you through it, and it's been good. I definitely would do it again.
We know this industry well, we know what works, what doesn't work, and we have a very refined program so we can put a product out with less labor and more wisdom in developing it. It's important to keep our clients' businesses running optimally, save downtime, save money, spend more time with family.
We stand behind what we sell. We use quality product and we support it.